Today we uncover the legend of the 1954 Ford F-100, a truck that didn't just work, it built America. Fully restored in its original raven black, this masterpiece still commands respect on every road. Let's explore the design, the engine, the craftsmanship, and why this classic remains one of the most beloved pickups ever made. Here it is, every curve, every chrome accent, every detail untouched by time. The 54 F-100's bold stance and smooth fenders defined a new era of pickup styling. In raven black, the reflections flow across the body like liquid glass. The distinct front end of the 1954 F-100 stands out instantly. Wide chrome grille, centered Ford lettering, rounded headlights, and a redesigned hood line that sharpened its identity. Under the hood lives the legendary 239 Y-block V8, the first overhead valve V8 in Ford's history, producing 130 horsepower. This engine delivered unmatched strength and reliability for farmers, workers, and drivers nationwide. For those seeking simpler mechanics, the straight-six engine offered unmatched reliability and easy maintenance. Whether V8 or I6, every 54 F-100 was built to work hard. Inside, everything is pure mechanical beauty. Metal dashboard, classic two-spoke steering wheel, large gauges, and rugged simplicity. No electronics, just craftsmanship built to last. The vinyl bench seat, tall shifter, rugged floor mats, and simple controls reflect the hard-working identity of the 1950s. Function first, comfort second, yet still iconic. Driving the 1954 F-100 is like stepping back in time. Heavy steering, mechanical feedback, and the unmistakable V8 rumble. No computers, only raw connection. With its reinforced suspension and steel frame, the 54 F-100 glides over uneven roads with a signature vintage bounce. Every movement tells a story. The steel bed, fold-down tailgate, and wide cargo space show why this truck served farmers, builders, and haulers for decades. Strength was its identity. Collectors love the 54 Ford F-100 for its timeless lines, simple mechanics, and easy restorability. Original spec trucks like this are becoming rare and extremely valuable. The 1954 Ford F-100 isn't just a machine. It's heritage, strength, character, a rolling reminder of when trucks were built with heart. Thanks for watching. More classics await.